Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done.
Hello my lovely friends, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Because of the prom and wedding season, I'll try to make more wedding and prom hairstyles like this one. So we'll begin by brushing our hair, and we'll use some texturizing spray or a dry shampoo, especially those girls with natural straight hair. Then we want to brush our hair backward, and then we want to select our top section and make with it a ponytail using a clear elastic. Now you want to make an opening through this ponytail and bring it upwards, so make a reverse topsy tail. And then we want to grab the rest of our hair and make with it a ponytail as well. Now we want to make our opening bigger from first ponytail and bring second one through it to make this big and voluminous bun, like so. We want to make sure that our first ponytail will stay in place, like I'm showing. Then you want to bring all these ponytails backwards. You see how much volume already we have. We'll tease a little bit the hair so we cannot see what's going on under our bun.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky.
Then you want to brush the hair using your hands or a comb if you need, and tie the ends using a clear elastic.
And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star.
Then you want to hide the ends inside and pin it at the base of the last elastic, crisscrossing our bobby pins like so.
Everyone has been telling me that you got me.
Now you want to stretch our big voluminous bun like so, and pin it using grips from both sides of the bun. Use a hairspray if you need, and you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this special occasion hairstyle. I hope that you like it and use it even like a everyday hairstyle when you want to look amazing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. Love you guys so much. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
I want